Autism Spectrum is a mobile app created with an aim to contribute to early diagnosis of autism, make informational resources on autism more accessible to Kazakhstan citizens. It was created by using C# language and Xamarin Forms framework to develop convenient user interface and functions of the app. The app provides ASD diagnostic tests for different ages verified by the World Health Organization. These tests can be passed by a parent of the child or an individual older than 18 for themselves. After finishing a test, a user receives an evaluation on his or her or their child's state with recommendations whether to visit a medical professional. An app also features a collection of articles on ASD from reliable sources. Article provides information on causes, symptoms of ASD, norms of development of children, ways of treatment, and organizations that provide support for families with children with diagnosed ASD. Lastly, the app contains the function of adding and saving medical notes for parents of children with ASD. Now, this is the look at the app's code in the Visual Studio. Firstly, here are the fonts that were used in the assets. In the models folder, there are models for the questions and answers for the test, and also models for notes of medical notes function. In the view test models, there are models of complete tests with questions, answer choices, and their weight in the test. Next, there are codes for each page in the app, and each page consists of XAML file, which is responsible for the user interface, and XAML.cs file for the code that holds functions and data variables behind the interface. Features of the app function without errors. In order to receive feedback, we conducted a usability test with 2 relatives of children with ASD. We received positive feedback and suggestions to give results and recommendations from the test about the diagnosis more gently. Also, we conducted a beta testing with a girl with ASD, and she also gave us positive feedback with recommendations to correct the spacing and sizes of the text. From the testing of black box method with the designer, we improved the interface of the app to make it more convenient and aesthetically pleasing. As a result of white box testing with a Master of Computer Science, we gained positive feedback on the code and execution of its functions. In the future, we are planning to improve the app by developing the app for the iOS platforms, creating authorization and creation of accounts, and including diagnostic tests based on artificial intelligence. This will help to gain permission from a user to view their personal information without endangering it, and also to improve the accuracy of diagnostic tests of ASD in children with the help of artificial intelligence. We are also planning to collaborate with Zebra Technologies in order to develop artificial intelligence and gain permission to develop such tests, and also to collaborate with partners in the autism community to address emerging needs in Kazakhstan society.